My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2023 Tesla Model 3. It has an automatic transmission and it is done just under 3,000 miles. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. Immediately on the user interface, we are met with navigation as a feature. And as we go into controls, we can see features such as charging, autopilot, navigation, safety, which includes unique features such as a glove box PIN. Tesla also comes with a 360 degrees camera. And with that, you can access your dash cam. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a nice shot of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.